Hello and welcome to your first cheat engine lesson, and in this lesson we're just going to go over the first 3 steps of this cheat engine tutorial program thing. Okay, so first of all, open up the tutorial application and open up cheat engine. To start off with, we're just going to click this select a process to open button, which should be glowing different colors and things, and just go to tutorial.exe because that's this process here, and just hit open. Okay, so now we can scan for any of the values inside this program. Now this first task, which is called step 2, requires us to change this health value down here to 1000. So what we're going to do is we're just going to scan for 100, because that's what it is at the moment. And there's loads of values that are 100 at the moment, so let's click hit me. And then scan out of that list for 96. Okay, so this is the only value, so just double click it, and now it comes down here. So just double click the value bit down here and we can change the value to whatever we like, in this case 1000. Now notice that the value down here doesn't change, however it actually has changed, just the display hasn't changed. If we wanted the display to change, we could click hit me and then that would update it with 1000 minus whatever it's going to minus. Okay, so the next button is now visible, so just hit next. Alright, so now this one is a status bar and we need to set the value to 5000. Now the only problem is we don't actually know any values here, we just know we have a bar. So let's go for a new scan. Let's just delete this address from down here. And we're just going to scan for, let's choose scan type, unknown initial value, because we don't know the value right now. So just hit first scan, and it's found a lot of addresses. So what we're going to do is we're going to click hit me, and it's just said -9. So decreased value by 9, next scan. Okay, so there are a few here. We could click hit me and scan again, but I'm pretty confident that it's this value here, so I'm just going to double click this one, and again it's down here. We then just change the value to 5000 as the task said, and the next button is now visible. Now the previous two have used 4-byte value types, which is why we've scanned using this 4-byte thing here. However, things aren't always 4-byte, so step 4 here is just going to teach us about floats and doubles. Now basically floats and doubles are just variable types, and this is almost exactly the same as using 4-byte. So first of all, let's change the health value. Okay, so we need to set both to 5000 now here. Just scan for 100, which is our health value at the moment. Alright, but let's change this value type to float, because the health is float. So first scan, there's only a couple there, but just to make sure, let's click hit me. And 93.3, 93.3, it's going to be this one. We then change this one to 5000 or more. I'm just going to go with 5000. In fact, just to show you, let's just go to lots of 9s, hit me, and there you can see it's now updated. So I wasn't randomly lying to you. Now we're going to have a new scan, again for 100, but this time using a double. Okay, there's only one value, so it's pretty obvious that it's this one. And we're just going to change this to the same value. Okay, so now both are above 5000, and we can proceed to the next step. That is the end of this tutorial, and have a nice day.